guys, Nicole here. So today I thought that I would do my May budget setup. I am using a kit from Romo Plans. I will have her link down below. So let's go ahead and jump in. So I'm really hoping to stay on track for the month of May and to stick to my budget a little bit better than I did in April. So we'll see how that ends up going. I am a spender by nature though, so I think that's some of where my problems come from. Oh no. Okay. These bigger stickers are always so hard for me to put on. And it's a little bit too big, so I'll have to cut that off, but I'll do that later. So on this side, you'll be able to see that I have like my stickers and stuff. We can ignore that because that's changed, but I did put my my May goals. So I wanted to be really realistic with myself. So I would just put 10 no spend days. Preferably I would love to have more than 10, but 10 is good enough start. And I need to pay back the 160 buffer that we had to use in paycheck 2 of my April budget. Monthly funds that I'm really looking at stuffing is clothes, car, books, and family fun. So yeah, and as you can tell, I changed it so that I would start on a Monday instead of on Sunday. So I'm going to have to fix all of the numbers. So I'm going to speed through that. Okay, now that I'm back, because I completely messed that up, Monday start confused me, but I got it. So now we can go through with our bills. On the 2nd, which is over here, go ahead and move this so that we can, this way. We have JCPenney's. We have a lot of bills that come out at the beginning of the month, so I may have to move some of these to the 1st, which I think I'm going to. So Nate's credit card, my PayPal. I'm gonna move this to the other 3 that come out. Put those here on the 1st. Now we are going to try to work on how much we're spending, so. Now I have one more for my American Education Services, and then I have one for my Capital One. My Capital One, I think I am going to go ahead and put this on the 1st. It makes me a little worried because there's not very much room, but my AES, I'm paying that at the end of the month of April. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it right there. If I have more spending on the 1st, I'll just put it here and that should be fine. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 9th and the 10th. On the 9th, I have Credit One. The 10th, I have Scribed, and I have Finger Hut. The colors don't really mean anything for me. I'm just putting them on there. Oh, I forgot the 5th. The 5th, I think it's because this is a paycheck day. Geico and Wells Fargo. And the 10th, I'm going to put Disney and HBO. Actually, I'm going to put Disney on the 3rd because I think it comes out before the 10th. And then the 10th, HBO. And then the 12th, we have Audible. And then the last is the 19th. That's our 2nd paycheck. And we have another Wells Fargo and Geico. I did forget to put Cricket on here. So I'm going to, oh no, I did. I put Cricut there. So let me go ahead and put the paydays in. I can't remember if I told you, but these are from Romo plans. So we have a payday on the 19th and a payday on the 5th. So my Etsy store opens on the 1st. My friend and I started an Etsy shop. We're starting off by selling some budgeting items. It'll morph into other things as we go. But I really wanted to put something in there, but I don't have enough room with all the bills that are going in there. So just know that that's there. So I'm not going to do side hustle for the month of May. We're going to put everything that we make in the month of May into our savings account. That way we can do a lot of fun things, like some special things, so that we have money to do those. So that is really it. We don't have any birthdays or anything that I'm going to mark. And yeah, so that is the monthly view. I am going to go ahead and set up everything else, but right now I'm just setting up the stickers, and we will go through and actually do them in another video. So that is our monthly